Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. This video, I'm just going to be displaying the Samsung Galaxy S10 wallpapers. This is on the Samsung Galaxy S9. I just want to give you guys my thoughts on the S10 wallpapers and what they look like. And yes, of course, my S9 is on the One UI, which is pretty much the same thing you're going to be getting on the S10 anyway. But for those that don't have the latest versions of the Samsung Galaxy devices, I'm just going to give you guys my rundown now. As you can see, some of the defaults are looking like this. You're going to get that 4x6 grid for your apps. And then this is the app drawer. All right. And then, of course, when you drop down, drag down, you're going to get that One UI set up. So it'll be easy on people with small hands and things in that sort. That's why you have so much space at the top. That's what Samsung wanted to do. So yeah, but let's go ahead and get into some of the wallpapers. Let me go ahead and find them real quick. And all right, let me go back. All right, so here's one wallpaper. This is what one looks like on the newer devices. Let's go ahead and change that. Hold on. I don't know why it's asking me to do all that. It didn't do it last time. It's weird. All right, so all right, let's see what it looks like. And boom, there's another wallpaper for you. I'll leave a link in the description box if you guys want to go ahead and download the S10 wallpapers and stuff like that, so you can, get a feel of what your device will look like in the next couple of weeks. Yeah. I think this is my favorite wallpaper so far from the S10 series. I don't know. You guys give me your thoughts on which wallpaper you guys like. Actually, I noticed a few changes on the Galaxy App Store. Has a new layout now. So everything is at the bottom for your games tab to download, Galaxy games. Your My Galaxy tab, fonts. You can change you got the Galaxy theme still. And for your watches, your Samsung watches. So everything, all the categories down at the bottom. Everything is down at the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me see what else we got. Let me go back into the wallpapers. My bad. All right, here we go. This is another one. All right, let me use it. And boom. All right, that's another wallpaper. Okay. That's all I want to talk about. But yeah, I kind of like them. I mean, they don't look too bad on the Samsung Galaxy S9. I don't have the peephole or punch hole, whatever, pouch hole, whatever y'all want to call it. But yeah, it doesn't look bad. I could probably just move that weather, so now you can see the weather more. It just depends on which screen, which display you like. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on the comment section below. Are you picking up the Samsung Galaxy S10, S10e, S10 Plus? Or are you waiting on the 5G model, or are you waiting on the big dog, the Galaxy Fold? All right, it's your boy Two Phones. I'm out.